Good morning students. Today we will discuss the remaining question of exercise 5.6. In question number 8, the statement is A is equal to cos t plus log tan t upon 2 and y is A sin t. In this question, first we find derivative of x, that is dx by dt. A is as it is, differentiation of cos t is man sin t and log is tan t by 2 into differentiation of tan, which is secant square t by 2, and derivative of angle is 1/2. So this is A man sin t. As we know, tan t is sin by cos, so it is cos t by 2 upon sin t upon 2. This is 1/2. This is cos square t upon 2. This cos cancel out. So this is man sin t plus 1/2 sin t by 2 cos t upon 2. This is the formula of sin t. So this is 1 upon sin t. When we take the LCM, this is man sin square t plus 1 upon sin t. As we know, 1 man sin square t is cos square t upon sin t. So the derivative of this is a cos square t upon sin t, and y is equal to a sin t. When we differentiate this with respect to t, we get a cos t. So dy upon dx is dy upon dt upon dx by dt. This is cos square t into sin. This cancel out. Sin by cos is tan t. So derivative of this question is tan t. In question number 9, the statement is x is equal to a secant theta, y is equal to b tan theta. Dx upon d theta is a secant theta into tan theta. This is the derivative of secant theta, and dy upon d theta is b secant square theta, derivative of tan theta. So dy upon dx is dy upon d theta upon dx upon d theta. So one secant is cancel out. This is b upon a, secant is 1 upon cos, and tan is sin by cos. So this cos cancel out. This is b upon a to secant theta. This is the derivative of this function. In the question number 10, the statement is in 10th question, the statement is x is equal to a cos theta plus theta sin theta and y is equal to a sin theta minus cos theta. When we differentiate this by theta, that is dx by d theta, here derivative of cos theta is man sin theta, and in this we use product rule, that is theta derivative of sin theta plus sin theta derivative of theta. So this sign cancel out. This is a theta cos theta, and derivative of y, which is a differentiation of sin is cos. Here we use product rule. This is theta. So theta cos theta derivative is man sin, and theta is 1. So in this a cos theta plus theta sin theta man of cos theta. This cancel out. This is a theta sin theta. When we divide these two, that is a theta sin theta upon a theta cos theta. These two cancel out. So tan theta is the derivative of this function. In question number 11, the statement is x is equal to a sin inverse t, y is equal to a cos inverse t. We are required to prove dy upon dx equals to y upon x. For this, multiply these two terms, that is a sin inverse t square root into a cos inverse t square root. As we know, these two bases are same, so this is sin inverse t plus cos inverse t square root. As we know, sin inverse t plus cos inverse t is y upon 2. This is xy. So xy is a power pi by 4. When we differentiate this with respect to x, then x differentiation of y plus y differentiation of x. This is constant. Its derivative is 0. So x dy upon dx equals to minus y. Dy upon dx equals to minus y upon x. This is the solution of exercise 5.6. Thanks.